To me, Easter means spending time with family and celebrating Jesus and going to church, and especially celebrating the end of Lent and being able to eat meat again on Fridays. So that's exciting. Um, for Easter, usually all my family gets together because most of my aunts and uncles and cousins live in Georgia, and we make a whole lot of food, and we make a lot of traditional Polish foods. We make pierogies and guamkis, and we usually hide a bunch of Easter eggs for the younger cousins, and we all just have a good time and spend time with one another and tell family stories and drink and eat and be merry.
I just believe being with my family, especially now being in college, I'm not with them all the time. I feel like Easter is an excuse to be with them without any complications, and yeah, it's a fun time.